Is it time to buy or sell Riot Blockchain stock? Let's delve deeper into Riot Blockchain. Our initial report was released on Wednesday, February 28, 2024, and now we're back with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to stay informed about our latest insights. Don't miss out on important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our new AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the potential of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please be advised that this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Since the 9th of February 2024, our system has rated Riot Blockchain as a hold/accumulate, with a score of -0.96. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance over this period. During this time frame, Riot Blockchain has exceeded our expectations by gaining 7.56% since our initial recommendation 13 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 0.58% since it was classified as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in the midst of a wide and declining trend in the short term, indicating a potential further decrease. Looking at the past 3 months, there is a projected -6.16% change in the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from -42.38% to 6.81%. Over the next 12 months, the trend suggests a 21.12% change, with a possible return between -29.08% and 76.47%. This could result in a price range of $11.10 to $27.62 in a year. The latest update on Riot Blockchain reveals significant movements in the stock price. On Wednesday, the price fluctuated by 15.42% between its high and low points. Specifically, the Riot Blockchain stock price saw a decrease of -6.85% on the previous day, dropping from $16.80 to $15.65. In the last trading session, the stock ranged from a low of $15.24 to a high of $17.59. While it has experienced declines in 7 out of the last 10 days, it is still up by 1.36% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume surged by 16 million shares on the last day, albeit on declining prices, potentially signaling increased risk in the coming days. Overall, approximately 59 million shares were exchanged, totaling around $926.62 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock's highest price was $20.65 and the lowest was $5.16. Currently, the price stands 24.21% below the 52-week high, amounting to a $5 difference, and 80.31% beneath the all-time high of $79.50 on February 17, 2021. Analyst ratings. Needham gave Riot buy grade with a hold action on Tuesday, February 13, 2024. Cantor Fitzgerald gave Riot an underperform grade with a hold action on Tuesday, February 13, 2024. Cantor Fitzgerald gave Riot a buy grade with a hold action on Monday, January 22, 2024. Bernstein gave Riot an underperform grade with a hold action on Monday, January 22, 2024. Barclays gave Riot a buy grade with a hold action on Tuesday, December 5, 2023. Analysts have rated Riot Blockchain stock as neutral overall. The PE ratio and price to book are both rated as sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong buy. Signal analysis for Riot Blockchain. The Riot Blockchain stock shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average, but a buy signal from the long-term average. With the short-term average above the long-term average, a general buy signal is indicated, forecasting positively for the stock. Resistance is expected at around $15.93 on further gains, while support may be found at approximately $13.19 on a fall. A break above the short-term average signals a buy, while a break below the long-term average signals a sell. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, shows a buy signal. Some negative signals have also been observed and may impact short-term development. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top on February 14, 2024, resulting in an 11.18% decline. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Increased volume on declining prices suggests caution and closer monitoring of the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 87 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 14 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 11 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 9 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Today we're looking at support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Riot Blockchain. Riot Blockchain currently finds support at $15.47, presenting a potential buying opportunity as an upward reaction is likely when this support level is tested. However, it's important to note that this stock exhibits high volatility, with a significant prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, signaling very high risk. In the last day, the stock moved $2.35 between its high and low, representing a 15.42% fluctuation. Over the past week, the daily average volatility has been 11.81%. Let's start by discussing the price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, which compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates a company with negative earnings or financial losses. While downturns can happen to even established companies, persistent negative P/E ratios may suggest financial challenges and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the upcoming Q1 2024 earnings report is scheduled for May 8, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $0.260. These figures can significantly influence stock prices, so it's essential to monitor them closely. Let's delve into potential day trading levels for Riot Blockchain. In an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Riot Blockchain stands at $16.45. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. For current stockholders, this level could be worth exploring for swing trading opportunities. Conversely, on the downside, Riot Blockchain faces its primary support level at $15.47. Should this support hold, it could present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a bounce back. The average rating for Riot Blockchain from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's explore some recent insider trades. On February 22, 2024, Les Jason sold 15,754 shares of common stock. On February 22, 2024, Les Jason sold 298,334 shares of common stock. On February 22, 2024, Sue Il Benjamin sold 298,334 shares of common stock. On February 22, 2024, Jackman William Richard sold 192,000 shares of common stock. On February 22, 2024, Chung Jason sold 192,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated as positive with a ratio of 55.696. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased 24,131,675 shares and sold 9,415,896 shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $14.91, minus 4.72%. This stock experiences significant daily movements, resulting in high risk. A sell signal from a pivot top was identified 9 days ago. Is Riot Blockchain stock a good buy? Riot Blockchain shows positive signals, but currently falls short of being a strong buy candidate. It is advisable to hold or accumulate this position while waiting for further developments. Our analysis has shifted from a buy to a hold/accumulate recommendation due to minor technical weaknesses. Based on recent volatility in market movements, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Thursday, February 29th, we anticipate Riot Blockchain to open up $0.510 and commence trading at $16.16. It's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Before making any investment decisions, it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor. Please be cautious and do not solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using this information, you are responsible for your own investment outcomes. Share your thoughts on our current stock view. What target do you have in mind? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and engage in successful trading. Have a beautiful day from all of us at StockInvest.